In today's video, we're going to be looking at some shops, looking at some designs, reviewing them, and helping you guys to build your perfect Redbubble shop. If you're ready for this one, please do drop a like on this, as that would be very much appreciated. And with that said, let's jump straight into this. Hi guys, my name is Phil and welcome to the Money Game YouTube channel. I make print-on-demand content to both motivate and to give you guys tips and tricks on how you can improve your print-on-demand shops. Now, if you haven't already, I'd very much appreciate it if you can click on that subscribe button and make sure that your notification bells are turned on. If you do this, you won't miss out on any future videos, as well as any information that could help you guys to potentially make some extra money online. And it gets better, guys, for anyone who may be looking for any extra help when it comes to print on demand. Down in the description, I have a free print on demand starter guide that you guys can download, and this features a lot of information in regard of what I used to get my first few sales online through sites like Redbubble. And for anyone out there looking to make this more of a full-time thing, I also have a paid step-by-step guide that's linked down below. Now, with that said, today the main focus is reviewing your shops. Before I jump onto that, I just want to say, if you're watching this video and you want me to review your shop in a future episode, there's a link down in the description where you can submit your shops, and it could be in one of these videos. And also, after watching last week's videos in terms of the performance, I might be stopping this series. So it's up to you guys. If you don't want me to stop this, drop a like on this video and comment in the comment section. Keep it going. With that said, I'll jump straight into it by going on to the first shop. This here is the first shop we've got for you guys today. It's called Schuver or Scuver. I think that's how it's pronounced anyways. Nevertheless, they've got a nice little branding on the shop there, as I can see by the logo as well as the banner. The colors match, and I'm guessing they've got some of their designs showing on the banner, which is always cool to see. Scrolling down, they've got 294 design, so they've definitely been putting a lot of work into their shop, which is always good to see. Featured collection at the top, featuring some Mother's Day designs, or it could be some mom-based designs, and that's pretty cool. One, because Mother's Day based designs will sell well when it comes to Mother's Day, and you know, designs that say things such as world's greatest mothers, best mom ever, are evergreen designs as well. So it's always good to see stuff like this. And they've also got more collections featured just below that. Actually, looking through the shop, I'm seeing some sticker packs. They've got a lot of tote bags going on there and a variation of different products. Scrolling right to the bottom, I'm seeing they've got 72 favorites. So in regards of the amount of designs they have, they definitely should be getting more favorites than this, but hopefully that's something we can fix in this video. I just want to say the sticker designs look really cool, look very professional, and I feel like this is a shop that can do very, very well, with a few things being tweaked here and there. So I'm just gonna go on this design here. So it says world's greatest mother, I love my mom. So one thing I like about what they've done there is the fact that they've used a lot of variation of keywords in one title. So you have world's greatest mother, which is something someone could search, and then you also have I love my mom, which is something someone could randomly search on Google, and this design could pop up. Now, the fact that they have the front image on this one as a tote bag is pretty cool, mainly because let's say if this is their top selling product, that's something they can then take information from and then potentially create more tote bag related designs, if that makes sense. Nevertheless, scrolling through, they've added the title and the description, which is good. It's available on 85 products, not quite everything, so you want to be making sure there that everything is being activated. Scrolling further down, tag wise, I'm seeing they've got, what is that, pink, mommy, mother, motherhood. Right, okay, so they've got some pretty decent tags in there. One thing I always say when it comes to improving your tags is just to search on Redbubble to see obviously what pops up. So if you put mom, you can see a bunch of moms, the mommy more like the daddy. If we put mom the American way, let's see, mom to bruh, mom teacher, mommy of the birthday mermaid. And if we put mother, let's see what pops up. Mothers in science, our first Mother's Days, quarantine Mother's Days. So by just doing simple things like that, you can get a whole variation of keywords that you can put in your tags. Or if you wanted to change your title around, you could use that information that literally took me 10 seconds to find to improve your listing. And for those watching that aren't already doing that, you want to be making sure that you're playing around with things like that to allow your listings to be better. Besides that, the shop itself is good. They just need to work on the search optimization. So in regards of mainly the tags, if they go through the designs, making sure that they fix the tags, I feel a lot more people will come across this shop. And long term, I feel the shop will then get the recognition that it deserves. Next up, we have this shop here. So it's VZorky, and there's a nice little design to the shop. Once again, logo and banner matches very nicely. The shop itself has 110 designs, so it's above 100, which is always good to see. Scrolling a little further down, so they've got some collections there, so no featured collection, so that's definitely something that can potentially be added there. And they've created pattern-based sticker packs. Now, when it comes to sticker packs, I'll usually recommend to create sticker packs that feature either text or images. By images, not things like patterns, because I don't really feel like sticker packs perform well on pattern-based images, so it's something to bear in mind. I like the fact that you're putting your patterns on things like masks. They usually do quite well on things like masks, so it's good to see that. But as for the sticker packs, I would say stick to making sticker packs for things that feature things with text or images. I mean, scrolling through the shop, we've got a lot of pattern designs from what I can see there, and you've got 79 favorites, which is always good to see. So people are actually finding this shop, and given that you've got 110 designs, 79 favorites is not too bad. Right, so one thing I would say for you to maybe try to implement into the shop is to try maybe implement some text-based designs that are linked to things that are trending. Now, this isn't a long-term thing. This is just a short-term fix for your shop to allow you to get more traction, because if you're someone who's out there selling things like patterns, it's going to be a lot harder for people to find you. So you want to get some sales off things that are trending, and hopefully those sales can help to boost the traffic onto your shop, leading to more sales onto your pattern-based designs. So I'm going to click on this design right here. We've titled this glitched, glowy, hypnotizing, tiled, and then obviously it's a pattern mask. And if I scroll through, we can see that this is activated on 92 products, so near enough everything, which is always good to see there. Going further down in regards of the tags, you've put glitch, glowy, surrealistic, psychedelia. Okay, so you've put things that are somewhat in relation with the niche of the design, which is always good to see. With the masks, it's a bit of a trickier one in regards of obviously what you can do in the tags. I usually suggest you add a tag that has quarantine in it, mainly because sometimes they'll be looking for niches that are actually related to, you know, being quarantined and things like that. I mean, overall, the shop itself looks good. I would say to try throw in another style of design, whether it be text-based designs or image-based designs. Now, jumping us onto our next shop, we have this shop right here. Let me just scroll right to the top. So it's called Dog Cuddler Alert. Firstly, I just want to say banner logo stands out. I like the branding on this shop a lot. The shop itself has 200 designs. Scrolling a little bit further down, we can see they have a featured collection. They've titled sticker pack, which is always good to see, because at the end of the day, people are always going to try to get value for their money, and sticker packs will allow you to create that for them. Further down, they have more collections as well, which is always good to see. This shop looks to have a lot of different trendy style designs, evergreen style designs, and yeah, there's a lot going on here. Now, for some reason, some of these designs aren't showing up, but from what I can see, I know for a fact they've got a variation of designs in there, and this is something I always advise people to do, because it will help you to see what performs best. They've got 191 favorites to reflect, obviously, the range of styles and designs that are on their shops. I'm seeing stickers, you've got some greetings cards, masks, obviously sticker packs, which is one of the bigger things. And yeah, they're being very creative with what they're doing, making sure that they're staying on top of trends as well. Clicking onto this design, they've titled it Funny Lab Week. Now, this is something that was trending not too long ago, and I'm interested to see how they've gone about their tags. But before we get to that, I want to see how many products this is activated on. So 92 products, near enough all of them, which is always good to see. They've put in a nice little description, which sometimes does actually help with search engine optimization or CEO. And scrolling down tag wise, I'm seeing the Funny Lab Week, laboratory technician, right? So they've put keywords that are in related to that. Just out of curiosity, I'm gonna see if there's anything else they could have added in there, going off of Redbubble suggestion. Right, okay, to be fair, they did their research and it looks like the keywords they used are keywords that are linked. Redbubble doesn't even suggest anything further if you try just typing on the search. So I feel like they've done a good job with their tags. Redbubble usually suggests that you use 15 tags. So maybe in the future, they could look to potentially add a few more keywords in there. But in regards of the shop, they've done a really good job. Now to whoever's running this shop, one thing I would say for you to do is to look to see which of your designs are performing the best, whether it be with sales or favorites, and look to make more of those. Moving us on to the next shop, we have this shop right here, and the shop is called I'm Rotten. Now, firstly, the art on the banner is amazing. The art on the logo, in terms of what I can see of it, looks pretty cool as well. 181 designs on the shop, featured collection at the top, St. Patrick's Day, as we can see. This is something that I would probably change up now, mainly because the holiday has passed. Going further down, there's more collections from what you guys can see. Design wise, I'm seeing a lot of image based designs. So they've put it on things like t-shirts, the designs that can also go on things like posters as well. They've got some text-based designs in there, sticker packs as well, which is good to see. Text-based designs, they've got a variation of things, and it looks like they're utilizing things like t-shirts and graphic tees quite a lot when it comes to the shop. They have 75 favorites, so obviously this means that there's a lot that could be done to improve the shop. One thing I would say is when it comes to things like sticker packs, maybe try to do more of them, as that could potentially bring you more traction to your shop. Try different products, try things like stickers, even more, you know, masks, greetings cards, baby clothing, all those things potentially could help you to increase your traffic, which could lead to more sales. And I feel like this is something that could benefit you quite a lot. I'm looking at some of the designs here. So this was a St. Patrick's Day design. I'm just gonna have a look at what you did in regards of titling and everything. So you put, today is a great day to be drunk. Now obviously this is something people would have been looking for in preparation for St. Patrick's Day. In regards of the tags, they put obviously what's in the title there, St. Patrick's Day lockdown. They did a great job with the tags. They didn't use too little, they didn't use too many. In regards of product, activated on 92 products, not quite everything, but close enough, which is always good to see. And yeah, I mean, the person who's running the shop, they just need to make sure that they're testing out different products. Don't just stick to the same products. Test out a few more different products, and then you will see if what you're using now is the best route for you to continue taking, or if it's better to use more products going into the future. Next up, we have this shop here. You should be able to see now, and it's a shop by Trisha Ban Lassen. So obviously this is a personalized shop to her, so it's more of a personal branding based shop. On the banner, she's put her name Trisha, and obviously you've got her image there. Scrolling down, we can see Trisha has 102 designs, so she's just surpassed the 100 design mark. Before I actually go into the shop, I just want to say the main reason I always push for people to hit 100 designs is because at this point you've had enough time uploading designs to gain some traction, whether it be with favorites, whether it be with sales, or whether it be with views on your shop. This information allows you to then see where you are going to go next. So if you're making a certain style of designs and it's getting more likes, clicks, or views than other designs, you know that you need to make more of this, whether it be in different colors, different styles. So yeah, this is something that Trisha needs to start doing now to see what works best. Looking at the shop itself, we can see she's got a featured collection at the top. She's got more collections down here, which is always great to see. And the shop itself has an artsy style to it. Shops like this are shops that usually blow up when it comes to Redbubble. People like artsy based things. I'm pretty sure a large majority of the audience that shop through Redbubble are females as well. So when people use female based colors, you know, the pinks, yellows, light blues, they usually perform quite well. And Personally, I feel like this is a shop that will blow up if she carries on. I'm very interested to see obviously what she's done in regards of the tags. Before we even got to the favorites, I mean, from what I was saying it's a shop that looks like it's got a lot of potential, and we can see that in the favorites. 667 favorites. I'm pretty sure out of all the shops that we have covered, this shop has the least amount of designs, yet almost 5 to 6 times more favorites than some of the other shops. And this is mainly because obviously she's being creative with her designs, and she's creating a lot of sticker packs. As you guys can see there's a lot of sticker based designs, a lot of sticker packs. She's trying out a range of different products in regards of what she thinks could work best for her designs, and evidently so it's working. I'm just going to click on this design to see obviously how she's gone about things. Titled it PH Scale Funny Joke, and in the description she's put Funny Lab Week, which is obviously something that was trending. Not too sure if it's still trending at the moment. Tag wise, she's gone with PH Scale, okay, science-based things, and she's looked for keywords and what looks to be sub niches of even bigger keywords, which is something I always recommend for you guys to do. Scrolling a little bit further up, she has this activated on only 77 products. So this is somewhere Trisha could pretty much be letting herself down, because she doesn't have everything activated. When it comes to this, I always say to people, one, you have more products on the market with your designs on them, which increases the chances of you getting sales. And two, once you start bringing in more people, trust me, the sales will come. As for Trisha, she just needs to keep doing what she's doing, but making sure that all the products are activated. If she adds more sticker packs to what she's already doing and keeps to her style, her shop will blow up even more than it's starting to blow up already. If you've made it this far into the video, I just want to say thank you. Comment down more reviews if you've made it this far. So at this point, you would have left 2 comments on this video. Nevertheless, guys, always remember that everything is rigged in your favor and manifest success.